Where's your toes?
What are you doing up there?
Where's your toes? Your drooly bug? Where's your toe? There it is.
Almost got it, huh, bud? Almost can put it in the mouth, huh? Almost, Dad. Say almost.
Easy there, wild one.
How do you like your chair? Grandpa Chum made you. Huh, Polly?
He's looking at the woodwork.